What?
If this had been an actual alert, important information would have followed. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. The 1 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado.
It's turned an RMT.
Denver International Airport was partly sunny. The temperature was 40 degrees.
Come on. Radio.
If this had been an actual alert, important information would have followed. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. It was 41 degrees. Feel like rain.
What was that?
You don't need no. Was north at 7. Vermillion reported partly sunny.
What was that?
The wind was southwest at 6. Boulder Fair.
What?
Temperature was 43.
No message? You didn't. You didn't decode it. You weren't armed. You toned.
41 degrees.
What was
The
that?
wind was south at 7 miles an hour. Really cloudy and 40. The wind was southwest
Alert.
at 6.
Put that on alert.
Elsewhere in
That's back on
Colorado,
alert.
Monument Hill cloudy and
What's on?
37.
Stop.
The wind was east at 12
Which one is
gusting
it
to 18. Colorado Springs partly sunny and 57. The wind was southeast at 9.
Is it you? It is you. Why are you...
It was west at 10.
I know how to use my radios. Okay. What was that? They toned a RMT? Okay. Echo. Make an announcement.
What's the announcement?
This is a required monthly test of the Colorado Emergency Alert System. If this was an actual emergency, you would hear important information, news, or instructions. This test is now concluded.
Announcing.
This is a required monthly test of the Colorado Emergency Alert System. If this was an actual emergency, you would hear important information, news, or instructions. This test is now concluded. I hear this somewhere. What is this? Look at that! Look at that! EAS!
This is a test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual alert, important information would have followed. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Who was that? There it is again. This is, what is it? It's the Dillon transmitter. It's Grand, Summit, and, statewide.
This is a test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been
Where's the...
important information would have followed. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Let's see.
Where, especially.
What? Another one! Okay, I'm gonna be quiet this time so you can get audio.
This is a test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual alert, important information would have followed. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
If it tones again, I'm gonna get my radios. What was that? Why did it tone like 8 times? Okay. Alright, well, that was KUNC. Apparently, when KUNC originates, it tones on our... You went off, but you didn't go off. If that makes sense. You're... Alright, let's see, how many EAS did I get? I got EOMs from this. You went off your KC76, that's WNG 550, so that's 2. I got 1015 on that, that's 3 EAS. And I heard it up here, I think it toned 4 times. It toned 4, maybe 5 times up here. So, that's like 7, 8 EAS. Wow. Why did it go over NWR? Also, I'm gonna run down there again. I could have sworn it was at 145, not 125. And weather radio toned at like 20. Look at this. $125. I mean, beep. Haha. 15 minute effective. It came in, that means it came in, yeah, 125. Wow. What? Wow. I don't know why I thought it was gonna go at one whatever. What did I say? I don't know. But wow. Alright, I'm gonna get pictures of the RMT on all of these. But, yeah. Whew. Also, you didn't go off. Haha, get punched. And, of course, this one's weather band doesn't work.